Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot send messages. MMS messaging needs to be enabled. For example, if you try to send a message on iMessage and after that you see this kind of error on your iPhone. For example, if you try to send a message on your contacts on iMessage to anyone and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and your physical SIM is also connected. And if you are using eSIM, and you have to check whether it is working properly or not. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply reset, click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. The next time, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of apps. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply look for iMessages or messages. So you have to simply click on that. And here what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that all the settings are enabled. And you have to make sure that you have connected your Apple ID to your messages app and it is working properly. So you have to simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply scroll it down and you can simply check whether it is allowed for MMS messages. So you have to simply click on that and you have to make sure that you have do not turn off any kind of necessary settings. So you have to make sure that it is working properly. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off this toggle, and after some time you have to simply turn this toggle again so that your iMessages can refresh. So after that you will see that this kind of interface will be available. So in this way your MMS messaging will be enabled. So here what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after closing all the pages, you have to simply check for the messages again, whether the problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply contact the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.